Grew up on the countryside of town.
All right, fellas, I'm out here in the woods, about to take a ride. I got something to show y'all real quick though. Fork seals are leaking. Well, just that left side. I got a seal saver. I might use it, but I think it's time to get the suspension rebuilt anyway. I'm about to put these stickers I got on from Stillwater Performance. Shout out to Stillwater Performance. They sent me these over and I'm gonna rock them on the bike. This is what I'm gonna go with when I do get my suspension rebuilt, so stay tuned for that. That'll probably be another month or so. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can out of these before I send them to get rebuilt. Got the fork stickers on. I think that looks so dope. Once again, shout out to Stillwater Performance out in Stillwater, Oklahoma. And yeah, I'm about to get on the bike, probably just ride around the country a little bit. I seen them from a distance. I didn't want to scare them. I tried to look to see if there was somebody out there to bring them back in. I ain't see anybody. this. The whole trail, there was really no mud except for that one spot with that big ass puddle that I didn't see. In case y'all didn't know, I hit those trails all the time. Well, I used to before I started going to the track. But that was a big ass puddle. I didn't even see it until the last second. I had to pop the front wheel up. Unfortunately, I hit it with the back wheel. Did I get my back wet? But I got my shoes wet, but I don't really give a shit about those. But the new seals held up, the new copper washers, and the cylinder didn't blow out. Not the cylinder, the cylinder gasket. So everything's running good still. The bike felt like it was running kind of rich when I first started riding, but it start running right later after that. But I don't really know how to end this video. Peace.